Hello students, today we are going to start with new poem, that is My Heart Leaps Up by William Wordsworth. It is a very short poem. I'll first recite the poem for you all and then I'll just give you a brief summary of the poem. My heart leaps up when behold a rainbow in the sky. So was it when my life began. So it is now I am a man. So be it when I shall grow old or let me die. The child is father of the man. And I could wish my days to be bound each to each by natural pity. So here you can see in this poem, here the poet wants to say that his heart, see he's saying my heart skips a beat. Means he's saying my heart skips a beat whenever I see a rainbow in the sky. This has happened to me for as long as I can remember. If it happened when I was a child and it still happens to me now as an adult. He's saying my heart leaps. My heart leaps means you can say it skips a beat here. And when I behold means what? When I see. What does he, when his heart skip here a beat? When he sees a rainbow in the sky. So was it when my life began. So it is now I am a man. Means he is saying the same feeling he had when he was a small child, that he was really very happy, or you can say he feels very enthusiastic when he saw the rainbow in the sky. And now when he is grown up, when he is adult, it is not that the feelings or when he sees the rainbow has changed. The same feeling when he had for the child in the childhood when he used to see the rainbow, same feeling he has now also. So be it when I shall grow old or let me die. And he is saying here, if I no longer feel the same joy upon seeing the rainbow when I am an old man, I would rather not live anymore. Means he is saying I don't want to live anymore. So see the three stages of life. It is for sure, and it is, you can say, real, that when a small child he sees rainbow in the sky, he feels very happy, he feels very enthusiastic. There you can see a feeling of joy, or the expression of happiness can be seen on his face. So same thing the poet is saying here, his heart leaps, means his heart skips a bit. He becomes very enthused when he sees the rainbow in the sky. And now when he has become an adult, it is not that his feeling when he sees the rainbow in the sky has changed. Same feel, the feelings are the same. But here in the poem he wants to say that when he grows old, the third stage of life, when he grows old, he's saying that if my feelings change, if I don't find the rainbow in the sky more interesting here, then it is better that I should die here. Now here in the next line is saying the child is father of the man. Means he wants to tell us that childhood teaches people the simple lessons they should carry with them for the rest of their lives. Means it is said that whatever the child learns, the etiquettes, the way to speak and all, everything, whatever he learns in his childhood, it is there, it is like a lesson for his lifetime. So that's why the poet has used this line, the child is father of the man. Means whatever the lesson the child has learned in his childhood, he has to follow the same thing throughout his life. And I could wish my days to be bound each to each by natural pity. Means here he is saying that I want to feel that a childlike sense of wonder upon seeing the natural world every day of my life. Means every day, though when I was child and now when I am adult and now when I grow. So the things, the natural, you can say beauty, whenever I see here, I really want to have the same feeling, the same wonder I want to feel when I see the natural things created by God in the sky or around me, everywhere he wants to tell us. So it is really a nice poem where the poet wants to tell us that we should have an optimistic approach towards life. It is not that when we are child, so we can just enjoy our life. When we turn an adult, so it is that we have to take up the responsibilities and we stop enjoying our life, or you can say when we go old here, so at that time we feel that okay, our life is over, any moment we might die, so our life is over, there is nothing left for us to enjoy. So it is not like that. Here poet wants to tell, whatever stage you live in, whatever stage you are in, you should always try to feel the same happiness, you should always have the same joy in yourself, and you should always feel happy for the life which God has gifted to you, because he wants to tell us that the nature around us is very beautiful, and it is the you can say it is in the eyes of the person how he tries to see those things. If he sees with a positive approach, or if he sees with a negative approach, if he always tries, if he is of complaining nature, if he is always see the things around him with a negative approach, he will be always disappointed. Or if he sees those things with a positive approach, he is always you can say happy going person, he will always feel that there is something new opportunity in front of him, which he can make his life very successful here. I hope you have understood. Thank you.